Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for your discount. This is Yamamoto Milling Company out of Japan with their Gomoku. I don't remember, but it's Gomoku Yasai Ramen. But in the pamphlet, it just said veggie shoyu ramen. So we shall see if it indeed is such a thing. So here we still have the bowl. Those are tricky when they put them in the label cellophaned up like that. I gotta do like photos of the packaging. Can't scan that action. Here's our noodle block. This reminds me a lot of Menraku, I gotta say. I wonder if it is Menraku. And our sachet content. Oh, yeah. So we'll see. And I guess that's the line. We'll figure this out. Right to there. Gonna give it a little push down. Push. Put a lid on it. For what is known as 3 minutes. Okay. So how's everybody doing? Yeah, it's the first day of school for Miles. Wow. Very cool. Very good. Mimi's watching videos of fun animals on the old YouTube over there. Are the animals being funny? Yeah, okay, that's good. We want the animals. Optimal animal humor in this house. I don't know, they want pets. They want a cat, they want a dog.
The kitty just ran in the screen.
It ran?
Yeah, it just ran in the screen.
Aha, kitty cats. There's Zany. She's been indoctrinated into the world of wacky cat videos, ladies and gentlemen. So, what's going on other than everything I've mentioned in the last couple of days? Not a lot. It's Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. It's 10:20 a.m. and it's the last review I'm doing of the day. I'm so far ahead of myself. It's amazing. It is just amazing. And the next thing that I have to do is, we gotta have our oatmeal and peanut butter. If she wants it. If she doesn't, I'll just skip that and I'll just edit my videos and make her lunch and then do apartment laps until we gotta go get Miles. Pretty good deal. Yeah, this week is gonna be easy. It's next week no, it's not next week. It's the week after that, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good. What'll be weird on Wednesdays, though, is she won't have school on Wednesdays, but he will have half days on Wednesday. I don't remember any of it. When did it switch over that when you go to school, there's half days once a week, like always? What's that about? They also have this new thing, the healthy start schedule. So instead of starting at like 7 in the morning or 7:30, they start at 9:30. It's like, because, kids need to get more sleep. It's like, dude, guess when my kids are up? They're up at like, 6:30. So, stupid. I don't get it. But whatever. So much slack. Too much. Too They get to bed at a reasonable time too. I just don't understand what happened. What happened, America? What happened? Everything is over. This one's funky. I like this track. What we got here? What is that? Oh, is that seaweed and corn? Seaweed and corn. Our friend Jamie over at England on the Ramen Junkies page, friend of the page, friend of the whole world, ladies and gentlemen. No, I need to try this broth. Broth. I need to try the noodle too. Yeah, I'm gonna say it tastes kind of like maybe a slight adaptation of shoyu. Mainly augmented by the seaweed is what I'm tasting. It's alright. Oh my. The kitties are having a fight over the insert whatever word that was. Bowl. Ramen. Pointless, irritating seaweed. I'm sorry, I'm not sold on the whole seaweed thing. I've had a couple varieties that are really good, and then I've had ones that are just like, good God, why so much? Like the Nongshim Su, I absolutely hate that stuff. Which bums me out, because generally I'm a fanboy of Nongshim stuff. But that one, no thanks. Send it back, send it back. Some people are really keen on all that seaweed. I'm not. Slice of homemade chashu. Four Seas does one too. Oh my God. Four Seas seaweed ramen. I mean, granted, it says seaweed ramen, but it is like a megaton. Deadweight tonnage, ladies and gentlemen, of seaweed. It's just like over the top. Way over the top, eh? Boy, she likes those kitty videos. Oh, she's talking. What's going on here? Come on. You mother. You motherfucker, you. There you go. Great! That's stupendous. Okay. The kitty is in the box, ladies and gents. Oh my. Can you tell that I'm like thoroughly into crazy animal videos on YouTube? I'm really not. It's like, I'm just not a fan. Animals are alright. I like them at the zoo. With the whole taking care of, I mean, I've got kids. I don't have time to take care of like some kind of pet. I have things I want to do. I don't need the hobby. I know, let's just take on responsibility. Who's gonna benefit? Nobody. Oh, but pets are so nice. I'm just not into it. I have pet children, isn't that enough? Well, that looks nice. I've got a bunch of bowls. Those are like my pets. My friends, my little animal friends that I put in the bowls. Okay, let's get this. That's pretty lined up. Yeah. Ooh, that's a little. That way? Yeah, right about there. There we go. Maybe a different song. Yeah. Ramen time. That's right, it's ramen time. Do your stuff, Rotato. This is horrible. So's that. Thank you very much for watching another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Yeah, this one came out of a new My Crate, so head over to japancrate.com and use that coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. And more to come. Busy. Go buy your Christmas presents. Go get those subscription boxes. Go buy whatever you want. Go buy a bunch of stuff. Spend all your money. Yeah. All right. Have a good one. Bye.